2024, the 2nd December 2024.
Okay. Hello, Biafrans. The United States of Biafra.
Yes.
We made it. We made it. Welcome, His Excellency.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, today we are going to sign the treaty between the United States of Biafra and the Eritrean government in exile. As you all are aware, we got a couple of countries that have been recognizing the United States of Biafra for the past 2 days, and we are very, very grateful for that. Yes. We have so many congressmen from the United States that have approved and recognized the United States of Biafra. Yes. We have the Ambazonia government that have recognized the United States of Biafra. And many more are on the line. We are speaking with some of them, like our guest speaker that spoke yesterday has said he thinks the United States may be number 3. So I'm going to read. This treaty of cooperation and mutual support and recognition between the transitional Eritrean government in exile and the Biafra, United States of Biafra. We recognize the shared historical struggles of the Eritrean and indigenous people of Biafra for self-determination, justice, and sovereignty, affirming the inherent right of all peoples to self-determination as enshrined in the Charter of the United Nations, desiring to strengthen the bonds of solidarity and cooperation between the two nations, committed to promoting peace, security, and development in the region and beyond. The United States of Biafra and the Eritrean government have agreed to the following: recognition and mutual respect. The parties shall recognize each other as legitimate representatives of their respective people. The parties shall respect each other's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence. Cooperation and solidarity. The parties shall cooperate in the areas of diplomacy and international relations, security and defense, economic development and trade, education, science and technology, culture and social affairs. The parties shall support each other's efforts to achieve their respective national aspirations. The parties shall consult and coordinate on matters of mutual respect and mutual interest. The parties shall provide mutual support to each other, including diplomatic recognition and support, economic and technical assistance, military and security cooperation, humanitarian aid and disaster relief. The parties shall refrain from any actions that may undermine the security and stability of the other party. The parties shall resolve all disputes through peaceful means, including negotiation, mediation, and arbitration. In the event of a dispute, the parties shall establish a joint commission to address the issue and seek a mutually acceptable solution. International cooperation. The parties shall cooperate with international organizations and other states to promote their common interests. The parties shall work together to strengthen international laws and norms. This treaty shall enter into force upon signature by duly authorized representatives of the parties. In witness whereof, the duly authorized representative of the transitional Eritrean government in exile, represented here by His Excellency, and the Chief of Staff of the United States of Biafra, acting 4, the Prime Minister, Simon Eber, signed this in the year of our Lord, today, December the 1st. December the 1st, this will become effective upon being signed. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. Shake hands.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, yeah, go ahead. You can exchange.
I think with this signature, as you can understand, this makes it official between the National Representative Council of Eritrea, which is the government in exile, including that with the Biafra, the Republic Biafran government in exile. In order to make it real, from here up, people only need to act on it. It is not a simple paper. Rather, we're going to show it and we're going to make it real. For those people back home, I'm very proud to see all this celebration, jubilation. You deserve one. This is the real one. So I would say congratulations for the Declaration of Independence. And I have a little message also for the government of Nigeria, including the people of Nigeria. We don't need to resort into guns and tanks. It only takes a simple pen.
Yes.
We can do it peacefully. We don't need to bleed each other. We don't need to die. Because these Biafran people from here up, they are not playing. Their heart is a done deal. It is sealed. They deserve their independence, and because of that, I encourage the Nigerian people to pressure, to encourage their government. Yes, at the end of the day, we need to live as neighbors in peace and harmony, in cooperation. In order to get there, please encourage your government in order to settle this freedom of the Biafrans in a peaceful manner.
Yes.
That's all we can do. And to the rest of the world, including the African nations, I encourage you to follow suit. Yes, this is the time. We are looking for our friends. Friends must be good in these bad times. Yes, we are expecting your recognition, including that, without a doubt, the United States is in a big spot, for sure, to recognize the Biafra of the Republic of Biafra, and I can't wait for that day, and I'm very proud to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.